Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you how do you talk about the musical instruments that you play. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you how do you talk about the musical instruments that you play. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now, this is the third part of our series. In the first part, I've taught you how do you talk about the activities that you do. Then in the second part of the series, I taught you how do you talk about the sports that you play. And in the third part, that means in the final part of this series, I'm going to teach you how do you talk about the musical instruments that you play, right? For that, you have a formula. Again, first of all, you're going to write the subject, right? Whatever is your subject, I, you, he, she, whosoever is doing that action. Followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer. Conjugaison du verbe jouer. Now, jouer, which means to play. If you do not know what exactly is the conjugation of the verb jouer, that's a regular ER verb. I'm going to mention the link of that video in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Followed by the partitive articles. Du, de la, de l'apostrophe, de. All of them are the partitive articles and all of them mean some, right? Followed by the name of the musical instrument. Now what is du? Du is the combination of the plus le. If you do not know what are partitive articles, for that also I am going to mention the link in the card above and also in the description box below, right? So du is the combination of the plus le. We use that for masculine singular. De la is the plus la. De l'apostrophe is the plus l'apostrophe and they is the plus le. So we use that for the plural nouns, right? Now, followed by the name of the musical instrument that you play, whatever musical instrument, guitar, piano, violin, anyone. Alright, so now, following the same formula, I've written one example for you. Subject is je, conjugation of the verb jouer is joue. Leave the space for this and then name of the musical instrument is guitar. Guitar, which of course means guitar. Now that's ending with E, so that's feminine. Now de plus la, so de la. Je joue de la guitare. I play guitar, or I can say I play some guitar. Although in English we don't say I play some guitar, but then in French we say je joue de la guitare. So subject followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer, followed by the partitive articles, followed by the name of the musical instrument. Example is je joue de la guitare. I play guitar. Alright, so here I have written certain examples in front of you of the musical instruments that you play. In all of them, I have followed the same formula. First of all, you are going to write the subject, followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer, followed by the corresponding partitive article, and then the name of the musical instrument that you play. Starting with the first one, je joue du violon. I play violin. Now, violon, that's masculine, therefore I have used du. Je joue du violon. The next one is tu joues du piano. You play piano. Tu joues du piano. Piano is masculine again, so we use du. Il joue de la trompette. He plays trumpet. Now that's feminine because that's ending with E, so I've used de la. Il joue de la trompette. The next one is she plays drums. Elle joue de la batterie. Now that's ending with E again. I've used de la. Elle joue de la batterie. She plays drums. The next one is nous jouons de l'accordéon. Now if you see accordéon, that's beginning with a vowel. That's why I have used de L apostrophe. So nous jouons de l'accordéon, which means we play accordion. And then we have vous jouez de la flûte. You play flute. That's ending with E again, so I've used de la. Let's just revise them once again. Je joue du violon. Tu joues du piano. Il joue de la trompette. Elle joue de la batterie. Nous jouons de l'accordéon. And finally, we have vous jouez de la flûte. Violin, piano, trumpet, drums, accordion and flute. Now, just now I have taught you formula as to how do you talk about the musical instruments that you play. That was, first you write the subject followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer, followed by du, de la, de L apostrophe, and then followed by the name of the musical instrument that you play. Now, there is a second possibility which I would like to give you. You can replace the verb jouer by the verb faire as well. And rest of the thing remains same, right? Subject, du, de la, name of the musical instrument, that is going to remain same. The only thing is that you can replace the verb jouer by the verb faire, right? The verb faire, of course, that means to do or to make, but that carries various other meanings depending upon the context you are using it, right? So now if I say je fais de la guitare, that doesn't mean I do guitar or I make guitar. That is going to give you the meaning of I play guitar, right? So you can also say je joue de la guitare, but you can also say je, conjugation of the verb faire, followed by the corresponding partitive article and the name of the musical instrument, which is guitar. Now that's ending with E, and therefore I have used de la. So you can say je joue de la guitare, or else you can also say je fais de la guitare. Both of them mean the same thing and both of them are equally correct. Now we have done all of them but with the verb jouer. Now I've written the same examples replacing the verb jouer by the verb faire, just to show you both of them are equally correct. Now, je fais du violon. We did je joue du violon. You can write that also, and this one is also equally correct. Je fais du violon. I play violin. Tu fais du piano. Tu fais du piano. You play piano. Il fait de la trompette. He plays trumpet. Il fait de la trompette. Elle fait de la batterie. She plays drums. Elle fait de la batterie. The next one is nous faisons de l'accordéon. We play accordion. Nous faisons de l'accordéon. And the last one is vous faites de la flûte. You play flute. Vous faites de la flûte. Now these are some of the examples of the musical instruments that you play. Of course, there are many other musical instruments. If you know any other musical instrument, I would like that you mention them along with the sentence in the comment section below. I am going to read them out. That's it for this series. With this, I've completed this whole series, how to talk about the games, the sports, the musical instruments and the activities that you do. Alright, so now that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon again with the next series. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.